Well, these are some things that I got at the Dollar Tree a week ago. These are three kind of pinwheel flowers that you can put out in your yard, and the wind blows them and they spin. And I got three different colors here. And then I got two of these little bamboo wind chimes. I got one that's a light color. That's this one. And then I got a darker color one. Let me hold that one up. Okay, there's that. I like the sound that they make. That's kind of a little woody sound. There goes Josie. She saw something she wanted to check out, I guess. And then I got this. All of this came from the Dollar Tree. This is like a little spinner thing that you hang up, and when it's spinning, it kind of has a very cool 3D effect. It's hard to kind of see it on camera. This is a little light up camper I have. It's real cute. It's solar. And then this is a solar fountain that I got online. And you just put it in some water and a sunny spot, and it goes. And then here's where I ended up putting the little pinwheels. There's a little bit of a breeze, so you'll see in a minute that they started spinning. I may not leave them in these exact spots, but right now I think they look kind of cute there. That one, the yellow one, it's making a reflection on the fence. I thought that looked kind of neat. And then this one here, the little blue one, it gets going in a minute. That yellow one really is in a good spot for spinning, I guess. There it is. The sun's shining right on it, so it's got that reflection. And there's just another view of the patio and the fountain. I got worried about that fountain when everything froze a few weeks ago, but it's working fine. Patio looks a little cleaner. I still have a little bit more cleanup to do, and definitely have some cleanup in the yard, but it looks some better. We might use the fire pit tonight. I need to get some weed control going out there. And there's a view of the patio. And there's where I hung my my chimes. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that, and the sounds of hopefully spring starting to arrive. And I did manage to clean up a little bit out here. Still got a lot more work to do, and I'm going to be putting my raised garden beds together and fencing off a little bit more area of the yard for that pretty soon, coming up in the next few weeks here. And I'm going to make videos of that so you guys can see that process. Please make sure you hit the like button. If you've not subscribed, then I hope you'll do that. And welcome to any new subscribers, all my new subscribers, and of course all of my returning subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.